Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create stunning AI VFX using JSON prompt with Veo3 and Nano Banana. If you never worked with JSON prompt before, don't worry, I will keep it simple and guide you step by step. First, just open Gemini that support Nano Banana and Veo3. And then in here we will start with Nano Banana to generate the first frame. Just tap on create image, this one, and then just type your prompt. Just describe the first frame that you want. For example, I want an image of a woman wearing a princess gown standing in a mystical forest with a dramatic atmosphere. I will type my prompt like this. For example like this, and then just generate. And okay, like this. If you're unsatisfied with the result, you can tweak your prompt and then just regenerate the image. And when you're happy with the result, just download the image. And then let's turn this image into a video. But first let's talk about JSON's prompt. JSON's prompt is instead of writing one long sentence, JSON's prompt lets you describe your idea in a structured way, like scene, effect, camera movement, and style. And this will make your instructions clearer, usable, and much more precise. And and then now let's ask ChatGPT to create a JSON prompt for us. Just open ChatGPT and then just type your request for JSON prompt for the video. I will type a request like this. For example like this, and then just generate. Okay, like this. ChatGPT will generate a JSON prompt for you, and then just copy the prompt. And after that, just open Google Flow. We will generate the video to Google using Google Flow. Just open Google Flow and then just create new projects, and then choose frames to videos, upload your image, and then just crop it as you like. Paste the prompt, and then just go to settings and then choose your model video into VO3 flash, and then choose your aspect ratio and output numbers. In this tutorial I will choose landscape and then one output, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. And okay, like this. You just created an AI-powered VFX video using JSON prompt with Veo3 and Nano Banana. If you this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.